What if there are texts and messages showing consent?
Well, oftentimes that comes about at a certain point. Was there consent? Is it expressly represented that there was consent? But is there an allegation that that consent was withdrawn in the moment? And that's all part of the circumstantial evidence that surrounds the affirmative defense of consent whenever one of our clients or whenever someone facing one of these charges wants to assert that defense.
And oftentimes, I'll see in the text messages when both people are highly intoxicated that the alleged victim, the female, the text messages oftentimes are kind of questioning it, which can be helpful, like not outright saying like, I was too drunk to consent, what did you do to me? It's a lot of, oftentimes I see, kind of just questioning what happened the night before and, not outright saying, look, I was too drunk to consent, more so like, hey, what happened last night? Like I was awfully drunk and, and so, but yeah, text messages certainly, can be evidence and come into play.
Yeah, it sounds like it would be complicated because of context.
Yes, and context is huge, as Josh touched on.
Right.
It's going to be very circumstantial, and they're going to look at the veracity of and truthfulness of both persons' statements and,
Right.
and level of intoxication.